and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. This week, I am so excited to share with you guys a collaboration that I did with nalalocks. They were kind enough to send me this beautiful unit, so let's get right into it. The name of this unit is PAW, that's spelled P-A-W. This is 100% virgin hair. The density is about 150. The color I got was natural, and this is 16 inches. It is the perfect length. It is the perfect amount of hair. It is small head friendly. It is literally everything. This wig comes pre-plucked, and of course, because it is 100% virgin hair, you can put heat on it, you can bleach it, you can dye it, you can do whatever you want to it. This wig comes with combs, adjustable straps, and it is super breathable on the inside. You guys, it literally feels like I'm wearing a sew-in. I really have no cons about this wig, and that is not because I'm doing a collaboration. You guys always know that I will always give you a 100% honest review. I literally don't have any cons for this wig, so I'll just tell you all of my pros. I have not experienced any tangling, any shedding. It's super soft, super lightweight, and still full, so that is a major win for me. And the wig comes with soft lace, so it was very nice and easy to lay. And honestly, you guys, this was my first time ever using like the got to be method with the blow dryer and everything, and I'm glad that I experienced that first time styling like that with this wig because it was so easy to style. I absolutely love this wig. I'm so excited to show you guys how I styled it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this wig a 10 across the board. I absolutely love this wig so much, and if you want to see how I styled this nalalocks PAW wig, keep on watching.
I need something from you, and I need something new. Oh, I got things to prove to you, and I know what to do. Oh, you're moving with the lights, they follow in the night. You're always doing right. I see you watching too, and I know how to move. You may not know me, but I know your love. It's around me, under and above. You may not know me, but I want you close, all around me, under and above. There's something I gotta say before we fade away. Oh, I'm not here to stay, my love, but that's another day. You may not know me, but I know your love. It's around me, under and above. You may not know me, but I want you close, all around me, under and above. You may not know me, but I know your love. It's around me, under and above.